Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on Budgies, and we're gonna look on this pair of Budgie. They have been together for quite a while, give us one part baby, and now they are back in the baby stage. They have quite a few babies in the box. Let's wait and see how many babies. So we have that look like 3 babies in the box and 1 egg that did not hatch. Now that's 4 babies in the box. You know, see that, guys? So 1, 2 there, 3, and that youngest one is 4. So we have 4 babies in our box, and we have 1 egg we never hatch. So them going good, don't it? 4 babies, 5 eggs. That good. That is good. Hey guys, remember to share out the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Tell your parents, your family, whomsoever to come and join me and my pets TV. Guys, just enjoy the video, enjoy watching it. Don't be shy. Drop a comment. It's free. I would say positivity. So if you're not good for saying, I say no. But drop a comment nonetheless. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell. Goodbye.